Jason at SportsBoxBreaks.com, coming to you live on 3/24/2021. Doing a hit recap from our 2021 Panini Absolute Basketball 5-box break number 1. These are highlighting the relics, autos, and cards 50 or below. So the 50 or belows, we got Miles Turner to 25, Desmond Blake to 49, Anthony Edwards, very nice, to 49, Zeke Nnaji to 25, and Zion kicked it off to 5. All right, then relics-wise, here we go. Okoji, Established Threads, Rookie Threads, Okoro, Azubuike, Steph Curry showing up with a dual relic, so is Brook Lopez. Devin Booker, very nice, that one's to 25. You got Patrick Williams, Marcus Smart, dual, LaMelo, Rookie Threads, and Hakeem Olajuwon showing up. Autos, Oturu to 10, Avdija to 25, Vernon Carey, Pritchard to 49, and RJ Hampton. Relic autos, Josh Green to 199, triple. Okoro again, that one's to 199, that's a quad. We see Avdija again to 199, another quad. We have this sick quad, it's thick. Devin Vassell, that's the 49. T getting that one. And Aaron F getting this. This is the last hit in the case. A little Tyrese Haliburton to 199. All right, guys, that'll do it. I appreciate you filling it up, and I'll get it shipped out in our next shipping batch.